You do know you're supposed to tip your movers, right? But how much should you give them? I'll break it down so you don't feel super bad after they've literally moved your entire life for you. First of all, moving isn't as simple as getting a pizza delivered. A couple of bucks ain't the way to go. So to calculate the exact amount you should be tipping your movers, you need to think about two things. Number one, the difficulty of your move. Did your movers have to climb up flights of stairs? Were there super heavy items like a piano or a gun safe? Did you move out of a small studio apartment or a giant mansion? Did they pack for you or drive the moving truck? And number two, the quality of their service. Did they show up on time? Did they finish on schedule or even earlier? Were they polite and efficient? Did they stay later because you had a lot more stuff than you realized? Did they bring an extra mover at no cost? This happens a lot, by the way. It's a nice bonus. Did they help you last minute or on a holiday? And how careful were they with your stuff? Generally, the industry standard is to tip $10 to $20 per mover. And this is fine for a short or simple move, but if you have a pretty large or complicated move that takes all day long, tipping a mover around $50 or more is the right way to go. And when you hire movers for a full service move where they drive and transport your items, some people will even tip around 5% of the total cost of their move. Before you start wondering if you should even tip your movers at all, let me twist your wrist a little bit until you see the light. Moving is an extremely difficult service to perform. It's not only physically taxing, but it requires a lot of knowledge and experience to move things correctly, safely, and within a short amount of time. Moving companies have very tight schedules, and they want to get your move done efficiently so that they can help the next customer. Think about it. It's very unlikely you'll be a repeat customer to them for a long time. So it's really important to be fair and generous when tipping movers. And if you want to know how to tip your movers, cash is the way to go, so have that ready ahead of time. But do not hand over the tip until the move is completely finished. And make sure to hand each mover their tip individually instead of giving it to the crew leader. I know this all might sound a bit expensive, but movers are actually surprisingly affordable for most people at HireAHelper.com. You can avoid an entire day's worth of stress, even if you just hire them for a couple of hours to do the heavy stuff. And if you don't know what to do with your hands on moving day, but still want to help out your movers, watch this other video. And if this video was helpful, give it a like and follow for more moving advice.